Wait, hold on.
What's happening?
How do you change?
What the fuck is this? Oh, come here.
No! Okay. What the fuck?
Why do I hear Shy Guy?
Oh, I'm zooming. Oh, fuck, turret. Chillin',
I
chillin'.
think it's a landmine. Oh, that is a turret, though.
Oh, fuck.
And straight into that turret.
Don't run that way. Don't run that way.
Jacob! What is behind
Don't
Adam?
worry, I can make it.
What is behind Adam?
Oh my god! Okay, I got this.
Did we all get shot by the turrets?
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah.
How is he not dead?
Absolute beast of a jetpack user.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Adam? Adam's going
Nemo for you.
That's sick. I might do that.
That's what I've been
Oh, shit. Alright. Can I get around you? I got around one, I got around both. There's
Enjoy.
three? There's three of them? Are you fucking kidding me? There's
Why are there so
four!
many?
What the fuck?
Is it all rolling giants?
How many are there? Michael! Michael! Oh shit!
Oh, what the hell? Goodbye, Miles.
Yeah, that was not a good place.
Okay, Miles, we have to rush in there. Go, like, straight ahead. There's, like, 3 things of scrap we have to get.
I'm gonna grab this.
Ah. Okay, so, maybe not.
What's the problem?
Someone died.
I know.
Well.
Yep.
Oh, what the hell? What's this?
David.
Oh, there's a
never do that again.
There's a chest
Never do
here.
that
There's a
again.
chest.
Look.
Chest?
Yeah, right here.
You'll forever be missed, Charles.
That guy's not real.
Yeah,
that guy's
fire
not
to
real.
him.
He's not real.
I'm not gonna keep waiting.
Are you real?
I'm real. I'm jumping.
Oh, okay.
Emoting proves nothing.
What's that way?
Yeah, dude, they're the worst.
On the way here.
Okay. I found a ball pit. I found a ball pit. Don't go in the ball pit.
You die. I was next to you.
It was a mimic. Mimic killed me right next to you.
You're dripping.
Oh.
Holy Jesus!
This map's crazy.
He literally emoted at me
That
and then
actually
said,
scared
"Yeah,
the
that's so
fuck
cool,"
out of
and then killed me. No. Yeah.
Dude, he just sees nothing but
This
blood.
isn't a good sign.
He's gonna go in that ball pit. Guaranteed.
Yeah, I jumped. Oh, he's going in.
Are you serious?
Oh shit!
Ow!
Charles?
What the hell? What the hell? What's your problem? What's your problem?
Where are you, Miles?
Up here.
Well, okay, I don't care about that.
Charles, no! We were friends! Charles, no, please!
Charles, what the fuck? Charles, no, Charles! Get away!
You started sprinting sooner than me. You started sprinting sooner than me.
Ah, no, please! I beg of you!
I got checked. Oh, okay.
Hey, what's up,
Guys.
Charles?
No!
Who died?
Kill him. Oh. Oh, hey, would you look at
Carl, you're not supposed to eat them!
No, wait.
Oh my god!
that? Fuck me.
I'm down here. Oh, who the hell got a shot? No! 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 No!
You started sprinting before me.
No! I don't need to start sprinting before. Okay.
Freedom
All
with
right.
my feet.
I didn't realize the button was
Yeah, don't
tabbed
come
to
on,
leave.
dude. It's gonna break.
No, we're good.
Miles, join them.
We're good. We're fine.
And the
mice.
bridge collapses.
Oh, no.
It's a legendary one. I think it's. Oh, I'm doing this one.
Cam.
Jacob, is my shotgun loaded? Alright, bring it on, zombies. Gotcha. 2 dead people. Understood. Oh my god!
Thing.
Do you have a flashlight, Miles?
No.
What the fuck? Go, run! They're lost cause.
Why are we running?
Oh! What happened?
I'm so pissed.
Oh, shit. Shit! Miles! Miles gotta stay alive. Oh my god. Okay.
He's getting grabbed.
Guys? Please don't shoot. Please don't shoot. My god.
My fault.
John, help me! John,
Miles.
Are you real? Are you real?
Dude,
Straight in, boys. Straight in.
I can put it
anyone-
upside down. It's not,
Holy
not a
shit!
you've been.
I don't know how I'm alive.
Forwards and backwards.
Dude,
We buy
where
shotgun?
am I?
Did we buy shotgun?
No! There's no back.
I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping.
What the fuck are you doing?
What is that thing? What is that? What's happening?
What the fuck?
What the fuck is happening?
What the fuck is going on, Charles? What the fuck is going on?
Oh my god, I was tripping.
Hey. I'm not a mimic. Don't kill me, Cooper, please.
Don't go over there. Don't go over there.
What happened?
Nothing. Why don't you go check it out?
Cooper, did you
I'll
murder
follow
him?
behind you. No.
No, we gotta order more.
You just shotgun.
Okay, we're landing. If you shoot now, they'll.
Somebody already
Stay hidden. Stay hidden. Stay safe. Save our people.
Stop.
You almost made me click the button and shoot Miles.
God damn it!
I'm out. I can't stay alive. I'm out. Out of fucking bodies. Jesus Christ.
Nate, maybe that's when you killed
How we
6
make
people.
Mahola.
You literally mass murder 6 people. That was absolutely wild. Cooper's about to shoot him. Cooper's 100% about to kill him. Jacob, it's us. It's us, Jacob.
We're human.
If
We're
they
average
hold
man.
guns, they're not mimics. Okay, Jacob, we're going back.
Clear!
Okay, clear room, clear room.
It's clear upstairs. Upstairs clear. Clear.
He killed himself! Miles, what happened? Oh my god!
Makes sense.
Alright,
No, no,
Hit the
no.
lever. 3, 2, hit the lever.
Goodbye, Cooper.
Oh fuck.
Go, Cooper! I fucking knew it. If you didn't do it, I would.
David?
What up? Hal's still alive.
Let me in.
Hey, come on in. Come on in, you son of a bitch. I'm joking, I'm killing you. No. I didn't do it. No, don't.
Wait, Jacob got shot by a turret. That was not fucking worth it. Fucking hell. What the fuck was that? I did not get any loot.
I'm okay.
Miles? No. No, for the love of God, do something else. Can you try dropping it?
Let me try.
Dash sits there.
Oh, he did.
Oh, I'm rolling it.
Okay, that works.
I'm rolling it.
Oh!
Oh, damn.
That's not
Womp
Cooper.
womp.
That's not Cooper. That's not Cooper. Behind you. No, that's me. What the
What?
fuck?
I got scared. I'm
It
sorry.
was
What the
me.
fuck was that?
Scared. I
Dude.
What the fuck?
No, no, no!
Jesus, that's not me. No, it's me. It's me. It's me. It's Miles. Miles. It's me.
What the
Why
fuck?
did I die?
Dude, I just got murked. I tried
what's up?
saving someone and then I got
Just checking.
shot. Miles is leaving? What the fuck? Miles! He just left the guy. He just left David. He just left David. That's crazy.
And he jumped off.
That's
Wait,
cra-
what?
What?